Pitt's data recovery revolutionizes data integrity with cutting-edge restoration services. Pitt's data recovery is redefining the digital restoration industry by offering specialized, enterprise-grade recovery solutions for individuals and businesses facing critical data loss. As organizations grow more dependent on digital infrastructure, the company provides proactive and responsive services that go beyond traditional backup strategies. From recovering data lost in RAID failures, warehouse fires, or encrypted SSD crashes, Pitt uses ISO-certified cleanrooms, forensic-grade tools, and proprietary software to reconstruct even the most fragmented or corrupted data environments. Backed by a no-data, no-charge guarantee and used by clients ranging from global logistics firms to private individuals with irreplaceable memories, Pitt stands out in a crowded market through trust, transparency, and unmatched technical capability. As digital threats and infrastructure complexity increase, Pitt is already preparing for the future with AI-assisted recovery tools, blockchain-secure audit trails, and scalable cloud preview environments, ensuring that when disaster strikes, clients can restore not just files, but operational continuity and peace of mind.